In this short guide, I'll explain how to buy shares of Profusa Inc., a medical technology company building implantable biosensors. Profusa trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker PFSA. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy PFSA, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and then add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker PFSA to find Profusa Inc. Select the NASDAQ listed result to make sure you have located the correct company share. Open the Profusa Inc. asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the NASDAQ ticker PFSA and the company details to ensure it is the right stock. Click Buy or Invest, choose the amount you want to spend, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the order fills, you will see the new position in your portfolio. For more details, you can follow the eToro link in the video description.